how to downgrade to the free trial on Elevenlabs. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can downgrade to free trial in Elevenlabs. How do you do so? The first step is to log in into your Elevenlabs account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on this page, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar. You're getting options like text to speech, voice changer, voices, sound effects, projects. Then you can see your profile name. Once you can see that, click on it. In the drop down menu that appears, ensure you select subscription. And so after doing that, you brought to your subscription page. On this page, just go ahead and move to your current subscription plan. Once you're on your current subscription plan, on the plan, you'll see the option cancel subscription. All right, for me, it's not displayed because I am currently on the free plan. But once you're on a paid plan, you see the option cancel subscription. Click on that. By clicking on cancel subscription, a prompt would pop up asking you if you really want to cancel your subscription. Click confirm to proceed, and then your subscription will be cancelled. Once your subscription has been cancelled, you would automatically be assigned the free plan, and you can make use of the free plan on your Elevenlabs account. So that is it. That is the only way you can downgrade to the free plan or to free trial on Elevenlabs. Thank you for watching and have a good day.